Hello, good evening everyone. I am Hashan Nanayakar. Today I thought of discussing about indices, the negative indices of negative indices furthermore. So last time we did activities on negative integers. Today what I am going to do is I am going to do some exercises. I am going to discuss some exercises on indices. Indices of negative integers. Okay, without further delay, let's begin. As it is shown here, our lesson is indices part 3. Under exercise, the first question is given here. Copy and complete the table below. Complete the following table below. Value of x and expression. Value of x means there are some value given. Okay, and expression is x squared, x cubed, x to the power 4 and x to the power 5. Value of x is 2 means value of x squared means 2 times 2. Okay, again. Okay, suppose this is the values of x are these. So if it is x, okay, values of x are like this. This is 2, first it is 2, then 1, then minus 1, then minus 2, likewise it goes on. Values are given to x. So under this, the first value that we have to substitute to x is 2. If x is 2, x squared means 2 times 2, 2 times 2 means 4. Okay, and you know this is a plus value. Okay, so plus 2 times plus 2 means 4. Same as plus 1 is here. Whether it is plus or minus, if the index is an even number, the answer is a positive. So 1 times 1 means 1, and that is a positive answer. Why? Because the number is a positive number. As well as the indices indicated is even. Now let's go to the next value of x, minus 1. So minus 1 squared means minus 1 times minus 1. What is minus 1 times 1? Minus 1. 1 times 1 means 1. Minus times minus means 1. Okay, as I recall the memory on directed numbers, minus times minus means plus. Minus times plus means minus. Plus times minus means minus, as well as plus times plus means plus. So if the signs are same, for an example this is minus and minus, so the answer should be plus. So minus 1 times minus 1 means plus 1 here as well. Next is minus 2 times minus 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 squared or 2 times 2 is 4. Minus times minus means plus. So minus 2 to the power 2 means plus 4. Next is minus 3. Same as minus 2, if you multiply minus 3 by itself, okay, there also 3 times 3 means 9, but the sign is plus. Why? Minus and minus both are the same sign, so minus times minus, it is plus. So it is plus 9. Next is minus 4. 4 squared means 16, minus times minus means plus. Same as 5 squared means 25, minus times minus means plus. So if the index is an even number, the answer should be positive. What if the index is an odd number? What will happen? If it is plus 2, nothing changes, no sign won't change. 2 to the power 2 means 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and that is plus. Why? Because this is a 2 is a positive figure. Then plus 1. Plus 1 times plus 1 means plus 1. Again when you multiply plus 1 by another 1, then that will be again 1. 1 times 1, 1. And that 1 times 1 is also 1. Okay. Sign won't change because the sign is positive. What if it is minus 1? Okay. We know minus 1 times minus 1 is equal to plus 1. 1 times 1, 1. Minus times minus plus. Then we have to multiply this plus 1 with another minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. This means plus 1. Plus 1 times minus 1 means minus 1. So when we multiply 1 by itself 3 times, answer is 1. Sign becomes minus. If it is square, minus 1 squared means plus. Minus 1 to the power 3 means minus. Why? Because the index is an odd number. Same as 2 cubed means 8. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Our index is what we call odd number. So this should be minus. Okay, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Minus times minus plus, plus times minus minus. So when we multiply minus 2 by minus 2, it will be plus 4. Plus 4 times minus 2 means minus 8. Why this is minus? Because index is an odd number. This is only relevant to minus values, okay, not for plus values. Next is minus 3. Minus 3 cubed means what? We know 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 times 3 times 3 means 9 times 3 means 27. And that is also minus. Why? Index is an odd number, 3. Minus 3 times minus 3 plus 9. Plus 9 times another minus 3 means 27, and that should be minus. Because plus times minus, minus. Minus 4 to the power 3. 16 times 4 means 64. Okay, and this should be minus as well. Why? Because index is an odd number. So minus 4 times minus 4 means plus 16. Plus 16 times another minus 4 means minus 64. Same as this is 125. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. That should be minus as well. Why? This is cube. Cube means the index is an odd number. Then x to the power 4. X to the power 4 means index is an even number. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. And these are pluses. So no change. It will always be pluses. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1 again 1. Plus 1. Next is minus 1. Index is even. What happened? 1. Okay, is it minus or plus? Plus. Why? Index is an even number. Minus 1 times minus 1, plus 1. Plus 1 times another minus 1, minus 1, and that minus 1 and another minus 1 means again plus 1. So this is plus 1. Okay, it changes. Power 1 means minus 1. Power 2 means plus 1. Power 3 means again minus 1. Power 4 means plus 1. And power 5 means again minus 1. Okay, odds becomes minuses. Even becomes pluses. This is only relevant for negative integers. Next is minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4. Plus 4 times minus 2 minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 2 means 60. That is also plus. Why? Index is an even number. So it will be minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4. Plus 4 times minus 2 means minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 2 means 8 times 2 16. Minus times minus plus. Same as here, minus 3 times 3 plus 9. Plus 9 times minus 3 minus 27. Minus 27 times minus 3 means plus 81. Next is 4. Minus 4 times minus 4 means plus 16. Plus 16 times minus 4 means minus 64. Minus 64 times minus 4 means plus 256. Minus 5. Minus 5 times minus 5 means plus 25. Plus 25 times minus 5 means minus 125. Minus 125 by minus 5 means again plus 625. You can see. So here in both these occasions, indices are even numbers. Hence, the values are positives. Not only in positive figures but also in negative figures, the powers are positive if the indices are even. Now, if it is odd negative numbers, okay, the value given to negative numbers are negative. Okay, so minus 1 to the power 1 means minus 1, same as minus 1 to the power 3 means also minus 1. Okay, minus 2 to the power 1 means minus 2, minus 2 to the power 3 means 8, and that is minus 8. That should be minus. Why? Power is an odd number. Okay, 2. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32. 1. Plus 1, however times we multiply 1 by 1, answer is plus 1. Then minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1, plus 1 times minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1, and this plus 1 by minus 1 again minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. If the indices are odd numbers, answers are minuses, the negative figures. Minus 2. Okay, 4 times 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32. Is it plus or minus? Okay, index is an odd number, so this should be minus as well. 3's. 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 3, 81, 81 times 3 means 243. And this should be minus as well. Why? Index is an odd number. Minus 4. 256 times 4 means what? 6 times 4, 24, 2 is there, 5 times 4, 20 and 2, 22, 2 is there, 4 times 2, 8 and 2, 10. 1024, that should be minus as well. Why? Index is odd. So minus values, okay, powers of minus values, if the powers are odd, the value should be minus. If the powers are even, the values of minus values, powers of minus values will be positive. Then 5's. 625 by 5 means what? 5 times 5, 25, 2 is there, 5 times 2, 10 and 2, 12, 1 is there, 5 times 6, 30 and 1, 31. There is also minus. Why? Index is an odd number, which is 5. Okay, now let's talk about this table yet again. Pluses, okay, whatever the power is, the values are pluses. But if these are minuses, what happened is, if we square the minuses, answers becomes plus. If we cube it, then these will become minus. If we try to the power 4, okay, again it will get plus. To the 5 means it will get minus. So the conclusion we can get is, if the powers are even, the answers are positive for negative figures. Same as if the indices are odd, answers become negative, but these are only relevant to negative integers. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much.